Local administration holds meeting with market committee. Heavy hailstorm creates havoc in Karbi Anglong, Meghalaya border area. Manja police lauded for distributing free masks to public in market. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I am Jillian Sepi with the latest news of the day. And now the news in detail. Number of COVID-19 cases in the country is still very high, despite the nationwide lockdown nearing a month now. Here is a report.
Since its outbreak in Wuhan city, the pandemic COVID-19 has spread around the world and has become a nightmare for several countries across the globe. As of today, a total of 24,94,915 positive cases have been registered worldwide, out of which 1,71,249 deaths have been reported. Among the countries, USA is still the worst hit by the pandemic, with as much as 7,92,938 cases and 42,518 deaths reported so far. On the other hand, 18,985 cases with 603 deaths have been reported in India. On the brighter side, as reported by the Health Ministry, 3,273 patients have also recovered. Looking into the state-wise tally, Maharashtra is the worst hit with 4,669 cases and 232 deaths registered. Meanwhile, Assam so far has registered 35 positive cases, out of which 19 have recovered and 1 succumbed to the virus. Karbi Anglong district is still in the green zone with 0 cases, and the district administration is putting all effort to keep the count to 0. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live.
Local administrations today held a meeting with Greater Diphu Bazar Committee and Chamber of Commerce, dealing with several important matters relating to maintaining of strict guidelines and new preventive measures post-lockdown period. Bikram Crow brings you this report.
With no confirmed case of COVID-19 till date, partial relaxation in the district headquarters was made by the district administration beginning today. In pursuance of the state government's latest notification on the relaxation of lockdown, the local administration held a meeting to discuss the effective means to sensitize the public and the shopkeepers on the various rules to be followed during this period. Karbi Anglong Additional SP Indronil Barwa, Diphu Police Station in charge Siraj Chinti, Diphu Town Outpost in charge Haukam Changsan, and Tinkring Rongpi from Greater Diphu Bazar Committee and Augustine Kramsa of the Chamber of Commerce were present at a joint meeting held at the Diphu Town Outpost.
আমি প্রত্যেক দোকানীক কৈছোঁ তেওঁলোকে যাতে দোকানৰ আগত লিখি থৈ দিয়ে থু নেপেলাবলৈ, যোনটো আৰু স্পিটিং এজ এন অফেন্স বুলি ক'লে। আৰু ছেকেণ্ডলি মানুহখিনিক যাতে বস্তু কিনিব অহা মানুহখিনিক ডাইৰেকশ্যন এটা দিয়ে সিহঁতৰ ডিষ্টেঞ্চিংটো মেইনটেইন, ছ'চিয়েল ডিষ্টেঞ্চিংটো মেইনটেইন কৰে।
During the meeting, the administration informed that wearing of mask, maintaining of social distance will be strictly enforced. The police also reminded that motor vehicles are still being strictly regulated and that speeding in public is now punishable offense, while all shopkeepers in the town would have to spread the awareness on this by pasting banner in front of their shops. News Desk, Karbi Anglong Live.
In a latest development, several families have been affected as a heavy hailstone which hit West Karbi Anglong border areas today created havoc, destroying roofs and killing several domesticated animals. Here is a report from our correspondent.
Hundreds of families living in the Karbi Anglong Meghalaya border suffered heavy loss of property. The worst affected villages include Tapat, Rongpangbong and Nongjrong. Several domestic animals, plants in the garden and roof of houses were destroyed. With the people already suffering from the scarcity of essential items due to lockdown, this natural calamity added their hardships and pain. Many families staying in houses without roofs and are in terrible situation that they could not afford to repair their houses at this time when the lockdown is going on. The affected and helpless people are seeking assistance from the District Disaster Management Authority and the Indian Red Cross Society, Karbi Anglong branch at the earliest. Daniel Inghi reporting from Hamren, Karbi Anglong Live.
Moving ahead, Hundreds of families under the Amri MEC constituency of West Karbi Anglong district today received free ration from the local lamps. Here is a report from Birsinki.
The ongoing nationwide lockdown, which is almost about to complete a month duration, is badly affecting the poor section of the society. Above all, the people from the rural areas where opportunity to buy ration is very rare are among the worst hit. Led by Chairman Bikram Timung and Secretary Aldrian Maslai, Amri Lamps today distributed rice to the hundreds of families living within its domain without making any partiality. Local MSc D. Uping Maslai, KSA Amri branch, all Tiva Students Union and Kasi Students Union also extended their support for the distribution. It may be mentioned that the Amri Lamps has been distributing rice since April 13. Locals have praised the fair distribution of rice throughout the constituency. Pensingan lang Ratane from Amri, Karbi Anglong Live.
With genuine concerns for the safety and health security of local citizens in the area, Manja police provided face masks to people who were in the market. A short report.
During the day, the Manja police were seen calling out to several people in the area. These citizens who were not wearing masks and were immediately provided with one each and asking to put them on, covering their nose and face immediately. Many of these people were in the market to purchase essential food items from grocery and shops selling rice and other food items. While handing over the masks to the people, police also directed them to put them on at all times in public places. According to police, these masks were provided to the people for free by Manja Police Station in order to help the government and administration in ensuring that preventive measures are fully implemented and maintained by all. Meanwhile, the small initiative of the Manja Police deserves to be lauded for providing free masks to the people in the market. This initiative are also sending message that they are committed to serve the people and are fully implementing the government's order and guidelines. News Desk, Karbi Anglong Live.
That's all for now. Keep watching Karbi Anglong Live.